I also meant to ask for a minute of silence and solidarity with the tens of thousands of our compatriots that are currently the victims of a state-led discriminatory operation and are being deported in flagrant violation of their basic human rights. Silence in memory of those who are shot to death, beaten to death, humiliated to death, starved to death in the process. In the face of racism, in the face of xenophobia, in the face of barbary, we shall never stay silent, not even for 1 minute. When they want to bury us alive, when they want to bury us in shame, when they want to bury us in guilt, when they want to bury us in grief, we stand up. We show up. We speak out. We shout out. And we always take a stance. In Springfield, Ohio, like in Santo Domingo, we will not stay silent. We will not stand by as infant children are separated from their breastfeeding mothers, as young girls are dropped overnight alone on a border. We will not stay silent because history is taking notes, and we owe it to those who came before us to rise together and uphold our sacred, hard-won dignity. Elta Pascal Trouillot once said, "To be a woman is to be a warrior." These words resonate deeply as we reflect on the battles that we must fight, not only for ourselves, but for all those who face oppression. Beyond hesitation, we should always remember that the secret formula to igniting our power, our very own open sesame, lies proudly in front of us on our flag. L'union fait la force. Our power is just these 3 words away. Our demise is in our silence. Merci, merci en pile. Allez, beaucoup.